GRABO panel handler system. So you can see we got taking this thing up 3 stories. Got a couple guys up there working a pulley, a couple guys making sure the panel doesn't bounce off the scaffolding. We really like this GRABO system, especially for stuff like this with straight panels. It's quick, it's easy. We've got the GRABO Pro up there, right? So we're certain that it's not going to lose suction. And this is the only system that we've used so far for this project, and we really couldn't be more happy. Except for something like this with straight panels, square, sets up easy. It's secure, it's solid, and they provide more than enough suction for what we need to do.